I'm very angry. I'm fuming. He is very lazy. He's a couch potato. She talks a lot. She's quite talkative. I'm really bored. I'm bored to death. It's very funny. It's hilarious. I'm very thirsty. I'm parched. He is very clever. He's sharp as a tack. I'm very scared. I'm petrified. I like it a lot. I'm really into it. I'm okay. I'm doing just fine. I'm angry with you. I'm upset with you. Let's start now. Let's get the ball rolling. He is very rich. He's filthy rich. I'm tired of this. I've had enough of this. He is very famous. He's a household name. I'm very thankful. I'm deeply grateful. That was a bad idea. That was a poor decision. She sings well. She has a stunning voice. He runs fast. He's lightning quick. I forgot to bring it. It completely slipped my mind. I'm listening. You have my full attention. It's very loud. It's deafening. I'm very excited. I'm thrilled. That's really nice. That's wonderful. She's very beautiful. She's stunning.